अर्श किवें आ?
किन्ना सुखबीर
वधिया वधिया।
एक संद भी आया बैठा बिच ओए।
हाँ ये किधरों आ गया है?
सेक्सी
अपने बंदे तीन ही आ।
धनश्री कौन है? हेलो धनश्री कौन है?
वो इतने कोटकपुरी आया होया ओए मैं सुखबीर।
इत्थे ही करदा है।
की ओए किवें आ?
हैप्पी नथाना भी पहुंच चुका है।
हेलो
Sir, 1 second.
Screen share screen.
Sir, 1 second.
Disabled participant screen sharing.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Okay.
You may check now, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay. Thank you, madam. Okay. Okay. Good morning, all of you. Today topic pattern. Pattern is a model of anything. For example, pulley. We want to make a casting like a pulley or gear or any handle. It's the same model. We want to make it through wood, by wood or any metal. That is a pattern is a model of anything. pattern is a negative, sorry, positive model. Negative model means die. पुल्ली होना चाहिए तो पुल्ली का क्या एक्चुअली पुल्ली इसे पॉजिटिव मॉडल है इसका सेम नेगेटिव करने का उधर दैट इज कॉल्ड डाई बट सेम द पॉजिटिव मॉडल इज कॉल्ड पैटर्न it is constructed by wood or metal etc wood metal plastic araldite thermocol or plaster of paris some it is constructed by wood or metal, etc. It is constructed with all allowances. It is constructed with all allowances. Allowances means machining allowance, construction allowance, draft allowance, different allowances are there. The machining allowance, draft allowance, shrinkage allowance is a must. It is constructed with core print and a loose sheet. Some pattern has core printed and loose piece. Some patterns no core printed, no loose piece. It is single piece pattern. That is called pattern is a model of anything. Okay. Next tools contraction rule. Sometimes called shrinkage rule. Sometimes called shrinkage rule. Used only by the pattern maker. Used only by the pattern maker. Contraction rule in which the divisions are made larger 1% for cast iron, 1.5% for aluminum, 2% for cast steel. Metals are from liquid stage to solid stage, automatically it will shrink. That is called shrinkage allowance. Different metals have different shrinkage. For a cast iron, is 1% shrinkage. For aluminum, 1.5% shrinkage. For cast steel, 2% shrinkage. So we want to make one pattern for cast iron. We give the contraction allowance 1%. That's why directly we can use the contraction rule. नहीं तो मेरा यहाँ 100 m का 1 mm ऐड करना चाहिए 200 मिलीमीटर का 2 मिलीमीटर ऐड करना चाहिए बट इसी में ऑलरेडी एडेड है कंट्रैक्शन रूल में ऑलरेडी एडेड है 1%, 1.5%, 2% इसे स्टैम्प्ड इन द रूल. The fillet iron it is used similarly on wax fillet. All pattern in the corner, the fillet is must. Due to after a liquid stage to solid stage, the corner will break. To avoid that break, we want to use the fillet. This fillet iron is for wax fillet. Wax लगाने का टाइम ये fillet इस तरह. Sometimes wood और sometimes चावल दे दिया. उसके लिए ये नहीं चाहिए. Only wax यूज करने को पता वो वाला यूज करना चाहिए. It is made of steel. Both ends are fillet iron, spherical shape, formed in different sizes. One side 10 millimeter, one side 8 millimeter. It's a different size. Available range of 5 millimeter to 15 millimeter. Pattern layout. So the pattern layout. पहले pattern बनाने के पहले layout बना चाहिए. क्यों layout बना चाहिए? इसे full scale drawing. Actually A4 sheet और any A0 sheet, A3 sheet में the pattern drawing is there. It's a model. Some dimensions are there. But we want to make a pattern. First we layout बना चाहिए. Layout बनाना full scale क्या size pattern बना उतना size का layout बना चाहिए. That is called layout is a full scale drawing. Layout is a complete details of pattern. Complete details of pattern means parting line, central line or parting line, कोर प्रिंट कहाँ जगह में कोर प्रिंट आना चाहिए, कहाँ जगह लूज पीस आना चाहिए, कहाँ एनी सेंट्रल लाइन, समटाइम्स पैरेलल सेंट्रल लाइन और ऑफसेट सेंट्रल लाइन आएगा, ये डिफरेंट. ऑल we can get all information through layout. Layout consists of all allowances like a draft, machine, shrinkage, and all. We adding the allowances. Layout also has a parting lines, a code print, etc. After making pattern, we place them on layout for picking up. आफ्टर मेकिंग ए पैटर्न बनने के बाद पैटर्न लेआउट में रखने का चेक करने सही आएगा, तो एक गलित एक्स्ट्रा थोड़ा बड़ा साइज आएगा कम साइज आएगा वो देखने चेक करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. इट इज ए पैटर्न लेआउट. पैटर्न इज ए फुल स्केल ड्राइंग. लेआउट इज ए फुल स्केल ड्राइंग. लेआउट इज ए कंप्लीट डिटेल्स ऑफ पैटर्न. Layout consists of all allowances like a draft, machine, shrinkage allowances, etc. Layout also has parting lines, core print, loose piece, etc. After making pattern, we place them on the layout for checking. Next to blueprint. Blueprint is one document mechanical or engineer give the print to pattern maker for making a pattern. That is called blueprint, or nowadays only black and white print available. But the pehle blueprint. Selection of construction scale as per metal given in the drawing. The details are available in the blueprint. Machining symbol for a type of finishing the surface of the casting or object. For example, if it's a drawing, it's a job, it's a drawing. This surface grind finish होना चाहिए. This surface only machining, only tool machining okay. This surface is grind finish. But either different symbols are there. Either two triangular, either create triangular. That is that information also available in the blueprint. Type of material, what type of cast iron चाहिए, or aluminum, or steel, or bronze, whatever type of material to be used for the construction of pattern, and the type of pattern to be prepared for easy molding, type of core print and core box for the preparation of the core, and the painting the pattern as per ISI color code. After making a pattern, we want to paint it. Different color, different purpose which are there. This is just a blueprint, it's a model. The same idea. Next, pattern material. The pattern, what are the pattern material? Pattern made by wood or metal or araldite or thermocol or plastic. Wood means teak wood, pine, mahogany, leather, or silver, oak, or padak, different wood. Metal means cast iron, aluminum. Cast iron and aluminum. Araldite, thermocol. Teak wood is a pattern. Teak easily available in the market. It is in straight grain, easy to shape, dark in color. Next, deodar. It is straight grain timber, light in color. It is hard and heavy with average weight, easy to shape, having close, well-designed grains. It is strong and durable. Mahogany, wooden material. It is reddish brown color wood. It is harder and stronger than pine wood. This pattern can be used for machine mold. For teak wood is there for hand mold, but mahogany pattern we can be used for machine mold. It has it has a straight grade and uniform in color. It is most suitable for mass production. Mass production means 100, 200, 1,000 number. That is a mass production. Mass production means one casting or 10 or 20 castings. That is it. Fine. Generally used in for pattern maker, soft in structure, lighter in weight, easy to work, low price, more suitable for making core bonds. Advantages of wooden pattern. What are the advantages? Cheap and easily available. Better wood castings are cheap and easily available in the market. Can be shaped easily into different forms and designs. Different design, any design we can make it, we can form. So because it's a chiseling कर सकते हैं, it's a filing or routering, it can be easily काम कर सकते हैं. In case any damage आएगा, but we can add extra wooden piece, उसके बाद और दोबारा वो डिजाइन बना सकते. We cannot see the picture after painting. We cannot see the joint. Lighter in weight. The cost of workmanship is less than other material. The cost of for example, pattern wooden pattern बनने के लिए 2 दिन चाहिए. The same model, same size of pattern कैस्ट आयरन में बना चाहिए 4 दिन और 5 दिन चाहिए. That is the cost of workmanship. It can be repaired or reused. It can be repaired or reused. Disadvantages of wooden pattern. Easily affected by moisture. If a summer season, no problem, but in winter season, the pattern will wobbling. बड़ा size आ जाएगा. Due to moisture, it wears out quickly as a result of sand abrasion. तो बार-बार मोल्डिंग करने के बाद इसे सरफेस से बार-बार मोल्डिंग करने से सरफेस विल डैमेज. तो इसे मिट्टी सैंड है ना, सैंड विल abrasion. It possesses low strength and poor resistance to wear and abrasion. So wood is low strength and poor resistance. So नमी easily absorb कर. It has low strength and it tends to break when used roughly. Roughly use करने के time it will broken. Wooden patterns are used in a small number of castings to be produced. Wooden patterns are used in a small number of castings to be other 10 number, 20 number, 50 number. Okay. Next. Advantages of metal pattern. Metals are used with advantage as a pattern material. The number of castings to be made is very high and closer dimension accuracy is designed. Closer dimension is, for example, it is 200, 150. We can make a 200 means 200 plus or minus 0.02 something. 100 means 100 plus or minus 0.01 or 0.1. But in wooden pattern, we cannot make it's close accuracy. We can make a metal pattern close tolerance. And a good finishing also is there. Metal pattern after wooden pattern, after painting, the area will some roughly. But in metal casting, after finishing, grinding finishing, like it's a glassy smooth finish. We can get casting in finished casting. We can get finished casting. They have much longer life. Say life is longer life than wooden pattern, and eliminate the inherent disadvantage of wood is a great extent. Disadvantages of metal pattern. They are costlier than wood. Metal is cheap. Wood is cheap. Metal is costly. Therefore, cannot be used with advantage where a small number of castings to be made. First, we want a 10 number of castings. We can make only, we choose the wood only. We want 1,000 number of castings. We choose the metal pattern. Okay. For giving different shapes and fine surface finish, we need matching. This again add to their cost. If any mistake is there, you want to weld करना चाहिए और add करना metal add करना चाहिए. That is the extra cost. ज़्यादा time लगेगा finishing करने में. Most of them are very heavy, and in case of large casting, the weight of pattern always poses a problem in its manipulation. से बड़ा pattern है तो metal pattern है तो one place to another to transport to another से मुश्किल है. उसे बहुत weight है. A large number of them have tendency to get rusted. In summer season there is no jung नहीं लग रहा, but winter season or rainy season the metal pattern is said to get rust. The jung लगेगा, लग जाएगा. Now, okay, but only we discussed today wood pattern and metal only. There is a thermocol pattern is there, araldite pattern, plastic pattern is there. Thermocol pattern is a single mold. Only one casting चाहिए तो thermocol से pattern बना सकते हैं. और plastic and araldite we want to अगर 100, 200 casting होने चाहिए तो we can make a plastic pattern or araldite pattern. The pattern allowances. Pattern allowances: shrinkage allowance, machining allowance, draft allowance, wrapping or shaping allowance, distortion allowance, shrinkage allowance. All metals used for casting contract and shrink in size after solidification and cooling in the mold. The liquid stage to solid stage आने के time में there is a shrink is there. Different metal has a different shrink. That is called shrink allowance. To compensate for this, the pattern must be made larger than the finished casting. For example, we want this type of casting, metal casting. For example, CA casting. CA means a cast iron casting. This is a 200 millimeter, 100 millimeter, 50 millimeter. से finished casting होना चाहिए. क्या cast iron finished casting चाहिए. क्या size है 200 millimeter, 100 millimeter, 50 millimeter चाहिए. अब we want to make a pattern. We want to make a pattern, wooden pattern, but we give the shrinkage allowance. For example, length is 200 millimeter. Upon CA has shrinkage allowance 1%. For 200 plus 202 बना चाहिए. 202 size है. This is a dimension of wooden pattern 202. The width of the wooden pattern 101. The thickness of wooden pattern 50.5 millimeters. That is all millimeters. That is called. To compensate for this pattern must be made larger than the finished casting. Finished casting how much? 200 millimeters. Okay. In pattern 202 millimeters. By adding the amount, by adding the 2 millimeter add कर रहे ना, that is by adding the amount known as contraction or shrinkage allowance. Amount of contraction varies with different metals. With different metals, cast iron 1%, aluminum 1.5, steel 2%. The amount of contraction of different metals. Contraction of a metal is always volumetric. Volumetric means this is from इधर से इधर आएगा. This direction. Shrinkage from here to this side, from here to this side, upper से नीचे, नीचे से upper. That is understand? From इधर से direction, this direction shrink are, this direction, this direction. That is the contraction of metal is always volumetric. The contraction allowances are always expressed as a linear measurement. Linear. The linear means this. Example 1.5. अब वो चित्र देखना. Shrinkage allowance. Shrinkage allowance. The reduction in height due to solidification, shrinkage, solid metal construction. Actually, this is a molding. The molding box is a molding sand is a casting. It's a material, metal. Okay. Now, machining allowance. Many parts of machine require machining to get accurate size components. Machining allowance is extra material added to a certain part of the casting to enable their finishing to the required size and accurate surface finishing. For example, machining allowance means the चित्र देखना एक round job है यानी circular सा machine है. The table is there. अब table circular सा machine table है. ऊपर का क्या पक्का फिनिशिंग होना चाहिए, नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए, बट ऊपर फिनिशिंग होना चाहिए. क्यों? इधर पेंट से बैठना चाहिए और माइटर के आगे जाना चाहिए और वुडन पीस से कटिंग करके बराबर फिनिशिंग एक्यूरेसी होना चाहिए. अब एक्यूरेसी होने के बाद सर क्लास எடுத்துட்டுங்கறேன் சார் நான் ஒரு half an hour கழிச்சு ஃபோன் பண்றேன். For example, the table size is 30 millimeter. We want to finish here. We can give the extra amount, that is 3 millimeter. According to job, according to area, 3 millimeter to 6 millimeter, we can give the extra dimension. For example, 30 means 33. 3 millimeter for what? For machining करना चाहिए, finishing करने के लिए. There are different symbol. Is a single triangular. There is a single triangular, double triangular, triple triangular, four triangular. Single triangular rough finishing, smooth finishing, the medium smoothing, grinding. Grinding means a glassy finishing. That is a machine. Many parts of the machine require machining to get accurate size of components. Machining allows is extra material added to the certain part of the casting to enable their finishing to the required size and accurate surface finish. Draft allowance. Draft allowance is draft or taper allowance is provided on wall vertical surface of pattern. Can be expressed either in degree or in measurement. Say vertical, this is a vertical. This is a horizontal plane. This is a horizontal. Say vertical. Star side and four side is a vertical. That is we can give draft allowance in vertical surface. Either it will say degree or any measurement. Measurement means 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, that is the measurement, or 1 degree, 2 degree, according to job, size of the job, according to height of the job. We can give the degree or millimeter. It is provided on both internal and external surface of pattern. Some casting has a inner dia, ID, inner dia. But we can give the both internal and external surface. The draft allowance must be देना पड़ेगा. The amount of draft on internal surface of pattern more than external surface of pattern. For example, इधर 2 degree दिया, तो इधर 2 degree external surface में 2 degree दिया, but internal round में 3 degree और 4 degree देना चाहिए. That is the amount of draft to internal surface of the pattern more than external surface to facilitate easy withdrawal of pattern from mold. From mold से easily निकालने के लिए there is no damage. Without the damage, we want to remove the pattern from the mold. Draft on external surface, the dimension is about 10 to 50 millimeter per meter. 1 मीटर का 10 से 15 तक मिलीमीटर देना पड़ेगा और इंटरनल के लिए 25 से 40 मिलीमीटर पर मीटर का देना चाहिए. इधर चित्र देखना, दूसरी से ड्राफ्ट से अलग, दूसरी से वर्टिकल सरफेस, इसे पैटर्न है, इसे पॉटिंग है, इसे स्टैंड. Wrapping or shaking allowance. When pattern is wrapped or shaken for easy withdrawal the cavity in the mold gets slightly increasing in size. For example, this is a smaller pattern. छोटे pattern में दिक्कत नहीं है, इसलिए we can remove from the mold easily. तो जो बड़ा size casting पैटर्न है, रिमूव करने का क्या करना, यहाँ से इधर से मारना चाहिए, इधर से मारना पड़ेगा, 4 तरफ में मारना चाहिए, उसका बाद निकल कर सकते. उसे मारने का टाइम ऑटोमेटिकली द साइज से थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा आ जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 2000 मिलीमीटर चौड़ाई, इधर साइड से मार दिया, इधर साइड से मार दिया, तो 2 साइड में मारने का क्या ऑटोमेटिकली इधर ऐसा 2 मिलीमीटर चलेगा, इधर 2 मिली, ऑटोमेटिक 4 मिलीमीटर मिल जाएगा. अब क्या 2000 होना चाहिए, बट 2004 मिलीमीटर है, casting आ जाएगा. To avoid this, we can give the 4 millimeter or according to size, we minus the actual size. 2000 चाहिएगा, 1996 देना पड़ेगा. ऑटोमेटिकली वे 2 साइड में मारने के बाद 2000 साइज कास्टिंग मिल जाएगी. दैट इज wrapping or shaking allowance. When pattern is wrapped means wrapped or shaken for easy withdrawal the cavity in the mold gets slightly increased in size. The size of casting also increase. To compensate for this increase, the pattern should be initially made slightly smaller than required size. We can minus it. So 2000 चाहिए तो क्या करना, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, we can minus करना चाहिए. Small and medium size casting, this allowance can be ignored. Small casting और medium casting को नहीं चाहिए, but बड़ा size के it should be provided. Distortion allowance. Sometimes the casting gets warped or distortion during cooling due to their shape, size, shape in. This is called a distortion. Image is that. This is called a distortion allowance. इधर देखना, इधर ये वाला some casting ऐसा bend होएगा, टाइम कास्टिंग ऐसा बेंड आ जाएगा, देख लो इधर देख लो। तो अवॉइड डिस्टॉर्शन वालों से वी कैन क्या, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस टाइप ऑफ बनेगा, इधर ऊपर का थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल ऐड करना चाहिए। आफ्टर फिनिशिंग इट विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली, सीधा बिल आ जाएगा। दिस इज a distortion alone. Sometimes the casting gets warped or distortion during cooling due to their shape and type of pattern. Due to the size, इसीलिए है इसे साइज से डिफरेंट साइज से डिफरेंट शेप से डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मेटेरियल से ऑटोमेटिकली डिस्टॉर्शन आ जाएगा. दिस इज ड्यू टू अनइवन श्रिंकेज, uneven metal thickness, or one surface being more exposed than the other, and casting it to cool very rapidly, जल्दी सूख जाएगा. That is it. Allowances is considered only for casting have a irregular shape, long flat casting with unequal arms. इधर देखना, here it is this area से more thickness than this upper वाला नीचे वाले का thickness इससे less है, but इसके more thickness है. तो ये वाला suddenly shrink के खुल जाएगा, इसके लिए वो bend आएगा. तो अवॉइड क्या करना है, जैसे एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल ऐड करना चाहिए. जनार्दन को தெரியும் तो செந்தில் भी கேளுங்க. இல்லை எனக்கு இது இருக்கிறதுனால நான் அது பக்கம் போகிறதே இல்லை. இதை நான் சொல்கிறேன், நான் அது எனக்கு reasons for making types of pattern. Next types of pattern. Types of pattern selected for particular casting depends upon several factors. The types of pattern selected for particular casting depends upon several factors like number of castings to be made, 1 number or 10 number or 100 number, 1000 number. It's a number of castings to be made, method of molding process, hand molding, machine molding, the molding process, the shape and size of casting, anticipated difficulties of the molding operation. The molding operation can get different difficulties are there. That is to avoid the difficulties. That is, these are reasons for making types of pattern. Number of casting, method of molding process, shape and size of casting, and the difficulties of molding operation. What are the types of pattern? There are different types here. Solid or single piece pattern. క్లాస్ ఎత్తుతా ఉంటాను, మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను. Types of pattern: solid or single piece pattern, split or 2-piece pattern, multi-piece pattern, match plate pattern, scope and drag pattern, gated pattern, loose piece pattern, sweep pattern, segmental pattern, skeleton pattern, hollow board pattern. These are इतना types है, different types of patterns for the different purpose. This is a solid pattern, say or a single piece pattern. Sometimes a single piece में जिसे पर से इसे single piece में बना सकते, this type of pattern. So this is we can make a single piece or we can make a joint. This is solid pattern. It is the simplest of all the patterns, made in one piece and not having any joints or partitions or loose tubes. Depending upon the shape, can be molded in one or two mold box. But for this type of pattern, we can make a one molding box or two molding box में molding बना सकते हैं. Cheapest pattern used for limited number of castings. Example 10, 20, 30 of that. It is molding manual operation. The hand mold. This type of pattern, we can make a hand mold only, not a machine mold. But in hand mold, we create the gate cutting, runners, and raisers. Gate cutting means a metal job के अंदर जाना चाहिए. That is a gate. Runner से रास्ता से राइजर से pouring. On side से pouring, on side से राइजर से देखने के लिए. इसे molding का split pattern. Sometimes the design of the casting differs difficult in mold making and the withdrawal of pattern. For this type of casting, the pattern, we can remove from the mold. Easily we can remove, but this type of casting or the pattern, we remove from the mold. We cannot remove. You know, this is a sand is there. Either a sand is there, either sand is there. How to remove? It's a मुश्किल है. To avoid this, a split pattern चाहिए. So the two-piece pattern. Sometimes the design of the casting offers difficulty in mold making and the withdrawal of pattern. Withdrawal from the mold. For such casting, split or two-piece pattern are made for easy mold. So compulsory two-piece or three-piece pattern बना चाहिए. Remove the pattern from the mold. Made in two parts, which are joined by means of dowel. दो piece जोड़ने का क्या? से dowel भी चाहिए. Dowel. That is called a dowel. The dowel pins are passed in one piece and fitting holes border in other piece. One piece of dowel pin है, the another piece of hole है. Central line of the pattern is called the parting line. Two piece ऐसा जोड़ने के बाद the central line, that is called the center line or parting line. Center line में another name is parting line. May or may not be same size and shape. अगर दो piece दो भाग है, for example इसे two piece है, split pattern, two piece pattern और split pattern. देखना ये साइज बड़ा साइज है, ये वाला साइज छोटा है, हो जाएगा. समटाइम्स सेम बराबर साइज आएगा पैटर्न है, समटाइम्स एक वन हाफ इज बिगर, वन हाफ इज स्मॉलर, नो प्रॉब्लम. That is called may or may not be same size and shape. देखना ये शेप अलग है, ये शेप अलग है, ये शेप साइज अलग है, ये साइज अलग. One of pattern is contained the drag box and the other is a cope box. There is a two box is there. The drag box is cope box. Drag box means a bottom box. Bottom box. Cope box means a top box. Okay. इसे वन हाफ ड्रैग बॉक्स में आ जाएगा, वन हाफ कोप बॉक्स में आ जाएगा. दिस इज ए स्प्लिट पैटर्न. नेक्स्ट मल्टीपीस पैटर्न. मल्टीपीस टू और मोर. Casting have more complicated in design. It is necessary to prepare the pattern more than two pieces to facilitate in easy molding. For easy molding करने का इसे two piece or more than two pieces, that is a three piece pattern or multi-piece pattern. Such pattern is called a multi-piece pattern. There are three boxes: drag, sheet, and the cope. Bottom box, that is called the drag box. Top box, that is called the cope box. Center box, that is called the sheet. There is a three boxes there. It is used for making casting like a spindle, 10 small bodies, tap, small pulleys, etc. इस तरह देखना, this is a multi-piece pattern. The cope, sheet, drag. A match plate pattern. These patterns are made in two pieces. These patterns are made in two pieces. That is a split pattern or two pieces. Split patterns are mounted with one half on one side of the plate, other half directly opposite on the other side of the plate. Okay, actually, the dark blue, light blue, this is the one split pattern. Only one plate. Okay, only one plate. One pattern fixed on the top and one pattern fixed at the below the back plate. Other half, the split patterns are mounted with one half on one side of the plate. Other half directly opposite on the other side of the plate. Directly opposite from reference from this point to this end. From this point to this 100 millimeter, same 100 millimeter रहना चाहिए. And इसका प्लेट का सेंट्रल लाइन है, पहले सेंट्रल लाइन है, निशान करना पड़ेगा. इसका पैटर्न में सेंट्रल लाइन में निशान करना पड़ेगा. वो दो मैच प्लेट का सेंट्रल लाइन है, पैटर्न सेंट्रल दोनों जोड़ना चाहिए, बराबर आना पड़ेगा. अपर एंड बिलो दोनों पक्का आना. Arrangement of this pattern is known as match plate pattern. It is called match plate pattern. Pattern may carry one or more patterns mounted in the same way. For example, in this only one pattern. Sometimes two or more patterns. Other small patterns means 3 or 4 patterns we can fix mount कर सकते. Plate may either wood or metal. It's a plate is sometimes a plywood or metal. Metal means maximum aluminum. Sometimes cast iron. Drag side of the plate pattern for gates, runners, and racers are fastened. In gates, that is a gate, runners, racers. Used for small and accurate casting, this design is a large scale. For machine molding, construction of cost is high. This type of pattern making the cost is high. This is used for molding. First, the top मोल्डिंग बना चाहिए. तो कितना उसका बाद प्लेट रोटेट करके बॉटम बॉक्स बना चाहिए. बट एक बनने के बाद फर्स्ट टॉप बॉक्स और बॉटम बॉक्स बनने के बाद कितना मोल्ड बना चाहिए. इसलिए टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, बट एक्यूरेट कास्टिंग मिल जाएगा. इसे कोप एंड ड्रैग पैटर्न. Cope and drag pattern for producing large number of castings. For easy handling, such type of pattern is made in 2 parts. This is also 2-piece pattern. One molder may prepare the cope half of the mold and the other molder may prepare drag half. ये वाला देखना, ये वाला क्या, इसमें पहले ड्रैग बॉक्स बनने के बाद में आफ्टर मेकिंग bottom box, we can make a cope box. But in this, there is a two plate. So this is a bottom box. This is a bottom box. This is a cope box. इसे दो बंद इसे काम कर सकते, बट इसी में only one person है doing, but in this there are 2% doing work for making it two mold. इसे one stretch है two mold हो जाएगा. One molder may prepare the cope half and another molder may prepare drag half. After completion of the mold, the prepared two boxes are assembled together to form a complete mold. Drag box have gates and runners, and cope box have raisers. This is for speedily molding करने के लिए use करते हैं. This is a cope and drag box. Gated pattern for producing mass and a good small casting. Mass means the number of castings high, that is a mass, and a good small casting, chota casting, for providing easy of flowing molten metal. Molten metal. For providing easy of flow molten metal into mold cavity, this arrangement is called gating. In mass production, if the gating is made by hand operation by the molder, it will require more time. Mass production बनना चाहिए तो and से manual में गेट इन गेट का राइजर बनने को ज़्यादा टाइम चाहिए लगेगा. तो पहले उधर पूरा already the mounted gates are runners in the along with the pattern. You can extraction में सारा molding मिल जाएगा. The gates are runners for the molten metal are formed by the connecting parts between individual patterns. This group of patterns with gates formed attached to them are called gated patterns. They are made of wood or metal. This is called gated pattern. Actually, gated pattern is wooden board or plywood board or metal board. इसे मेटल बोर्ड में इसके ऊपर मोल्डिंग करना चाहिए. इसे दिस इज ए स्मॉल साइज ऑफ पैटर्न. इट इज कॉल्ड रनर. दिस इज कॉल्ड गेट फॉर फ्लोइंग मेटल. दिस इज ए राइजर. गेटेड पैटर्न. loose piece pattern. Certain pattern cannot be withdrawn from mold. Some pattern we cannot be withdrawn from mold. So some extra projection is there. Such patterns are usually made with one or more loose pieces for facilitating their removal from the molding box. So loose piece देना चाहिए. पैटर्न पहले पैटर्न रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद लूज पीस रिमूव कर सकते. Loose piece attached with the main body of a pattern. Loose piece attached to the main body of pattern. Pattern withdraw first from mold and after loose piece are removed. This is called the loose piece pattern. There both side is a boss. Alright. This is a pattern. Pattern पहले रिमूव करना है, उसके बाद लूज पीस इसे पोकर और सर्किल से. This is called the loose piece pattern. L bracket का इधर एक बॉक्स होना चाहिए. So this box is for making a hole. This is a loose piece pattern. फर्स्ट पैटर्न ऐसा करके उसका बाद मोल्डिंग टिल्टिंग चाहिए, मोल्डिंग बॉक्स को टिल्टिंग करना चाहिए। पहले बहुत उसके बाद पैटर्न रिमूव कर दिया या इधर से नीच पीस से रिमूव कर दिया, इसको नीच पीस करना। नेक्स्ट इज स्वीप पैटर्न। स्वीप पैटर्न consists of wood or metal template having the shape of corresponding to the shape of desired casting। क्या शेप ऑफ कैस्टिंग होना चाहिए और सेम का टेम्पलेट बनना चाहिए, इधर वुड और मेटल। द स्वीप इज हेल्ड रिजिडली टू एन आर्म that can be rotated around the post। Sweeps are used for preparing large symmetrical castings, particularly in the circular section, to save the time, labor. Example: wheel rings, bell shape, etc. Sweeps. This is a one fourth. This is a one fourth figure. This is a sweep. It is made by plywood or aluminum sheet। क्या क्या शेप चाहिए, शेप एंड साइज। वी कैन ए टेम्पलेट इधर फिर मिट्टी भरने के बाद इसे रोटेट करके ऑटोमेटिकली क्या टेम्पलेट का क्या शेप है, सेम शेप का मोल्डिंग मिल जाए, इसे कैविटी द मोल्ड। We can make a bell। क्यों ना बड़ा बड़ा बेल पैटर्न बनने के लिए ज़्यादा मटेरियल होना चाहिए, वुड फॉर एग्जांपल, वुड का ज़्यादा वुड चाहिए एंड क्या कॉस्ट लेबर चाहिए, इसे टाइम चाहिए। तो क्यों ना आफ्टर 10 नंबर कैसे बाद में इसे वुडन पैटर्न इसे वेस्ट। We avoid that, we can make a template like a sweep pattern। This is the inner side का, there is a inner side one template and outside is a one template। there दो template बना चाहिए। What size of a bell and what shape of a bell। Segmental or segment casting, both segment and sweep pattern generate circular shape। तो बड़ा बड़ा रिंग चाहिए, रिंग फॉर एग्जांपल 5000 मीटर है ओडी, 4000 मीटर है आईडी। उतना बड़ा साइज रिंग होने के लिए, उतना बड़ा पैटर्न बनने के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम है, पूरा मटेरियल पूरा दूसरे वो अवॉइड कर लिया। सेगमेंट है, सेगमेंट मीन्स सर्कुलर डिवाइडेड बाई 6, ओनली वन सेगमेंट से पैटर्न बना सकते। तो क्या बार बार सैंड फिलअप करके ये रोटेट करना पड़ेगा, ऑटोमेटिकली रिंग मिल जाएगा। बोथ पैटर्न आर जनरली यूज्ड फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग लार्ज सर्कुलर रिंग, व्हील रिम्स एंड गियर्स एक्सेट्रा। skeleton pattern, this is called a skeleton pattern। For very large castings, more quantity of wood is required for the preparation of the pattern। The number of casting required is less। Number of casting less चाहिए, but एक pattern इससे बड़ा चाहिए। So are not economical to prepare the solid pattern। Solid pattern बनेगा not recommended। इससे economical है ना, ज़्यादा time है, labor है and the material waste। Pattern made with a wooden frame and sticks। Skeleton pattern is filled with sand and rammed। Skeleton piece is used to remove surplus sand, usually made in two parts, rag and coke, for making soil and water pipes, valve bodies and pipe bends। This is a skeleton pattern। इतना बड़ा साइज का पाइप और बेड होना चाहिए। क्या है ना, तो नीचे एक प्लाईवुड बोर्ड, इधर सपोर्ट पीस, इधर एक सपोर्ट पीस, इधर देखना। ये जगह पूरा सैंड से भरना पड़ेगा, trickle. What is about it? The template is there. So what type of casting is we can made a skeleton pattern with sand. After making a mold, it will remove the sand. That is a skeleton pattern. This is follow board pattern. Pattern may sag or broken due to there is thin section or less wall thickness during ramming.
Sir,
Hello. Okay. Last
Sir,
slide.
Yes,
Last slide. Okay. Follow board pattern. There is a thin section of pattern. This is called the pattern. Here is offset pattern. We give the follow board. We did not give the follow board. It will broken. To avoid broken, the follow board wooden board is support the pattern during molding. The molding करने का time में इसे ये board support होता है. After that is called the follow board pattern. Okay. Okay, bye. Thank you. Okay, sir. Madam, okay, madam.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.